Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my homemade Haleem masala powder, which is so easy and handy to have in your jar, in your kitchen, in your pantry, anytime you want to make Haleem and you don't have to go buy it in the store, because this recipe is so perfect and it comes out so perfectly. And let me take you first ingredients that I'm gonna need for making the Haleem masala powder. Starting from the powder, I have some nutmeg powder. I'm just using half teaspoon nutmeg powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon ground ginger, which is dried ginger. Over here I got 1 tablespoon full of peppercorn, 1 tablespoon full of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoon full of coriander seeds, 1 stick of cinnamon. I'm using like a big piece, just like that. If you have it small, then use 2 of them. 2 bay leaves, 7 of this green cardamom, 1 of the black cardamom, 1 star anise. Over here I got 7 pieces of cloves. Optional is some dried chilies. If you don't have this black cardamom, you can add 2 more or 1 more of the green cardamom. And that's it. That's all ingredient we need to make Haleem masala powder. And now we are going to the stove. It's time to roast all of these. I have a non-stick little saucepan here, a little fry pan, not saucepan. So I'm gonna start adding this black cardamom, the cloves, green cardamom, and star anise, and the bay leaf. I'm gonna just break them into pieces. I'm not gonna break this dried chilies. Of course, break the cinnamon to make life easier, and the cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and whole peppercorn. Over low heat, we're gonna dry roast this for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until you can smell the spices. And it's been 6 minutes and everything has been roasting. You're not gonna see any change in color. You're just gonna smell. You may have a little slightly change color, but not like golden brown. Nothing like that. Otherwise, everything will be burned instead of having flavors. And now I'm gonna add this powder: ginger, turmeric, and nutmeg. You can use a whole nutmeg and just grate it instead of using in the jar. And now you're gonna turn the heat off and let this cool a little bit for 10 minutes. Okay guys, I let my spices cool and I have blended them into powder, and it smells so good. It looks so good. I can't wait to make a Haleem, and I have already shared the recipe of Haleem on my channel. I'm gonna put a link down below so you can have access to it easily. So just click on the link and get the recipe for Haleem. And in total, you're gonna get 5 tablespoons of Haleem masala powder for this recipe. If you wanna double it and save it in a jar for up to 6 months, then you can just double or triple the recipe, the amount of ingredient that I'm going to put in the description box down below. Don't forget to check it and like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.